What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Spigen's Glass TR Easy Fit tempered glass screen protector for the brand new Apple Watch Ultra. Now I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link because it helps me keep purchasing products to reviews for you guys. If there was anything I wanted to protect the most, it would definitely be the screen on my watch. Even though it is pretty rugged, I still don't want to take the chance, and Spigen makes it super easy for you to install the screen protector. So stay with me till the end of the video because I will also be doing a scratch test to see how durable the screen really is. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here we get two screen protectors and an installation packet with some tools in it. So before we begin, you want to make sure that you take off any band that you might have on the watch. Once you have your band off, you're going to go ahead and take this little rubber pad here. You're going to place it down and you're going to place your watch right in that little hole on the pad. Next, you want to make sure you clean the screen off really well. Then we're going to go ahead and dry off the screen. Then you can take one of your dust stickers here. Make sure you remove any dust that you might see on the screen here. Then you're going to want to take one of your screen protectors here. On the underside, you'll see it has a little sticker that says back. We're going to peel that off. Then make sure you don't touch the underside. We're going to go ahead and flip this over. Make sure that you can read what's on the sticker. Then we're just going to place it over our watch and press it into place here. One last look for some dust. All right, so we're going to peel off that back. And then we'll place it over our watch just like this. Then we're going to press in the middle here. Just like that. Then we're going to peel off the sticker here from the bottom. Just like that. I'll go ahead and lift up on the guide, press down in the middle, just like that. Then we're going to peel off the sticker here. And we're all done. Perfect installation. First try, no issues, no bubbles. Feels nice and smooth, just like the glass. No issues with touch. Beautiful, very nice. So it is nice and clear, no issues whatsoever. It's perfectly aligned with your watch. Very nice. Now I'll go ahead and put a case on here just to see how well it fits. All right, so here I have a little protective cover that just simply goes over the watch just like this. Kind of just presses into place. And as you can see, it doesn't interfere with the screen protector at all. And then here I have a cover that actually comes right up to the edge of the screen. We'll go ahead and see how well that fits. And there we go. It looks to be fits perfectly fine. Right up to the edge of the screen protector. So if you put a cover over your watch, you should be fine with this screen protector. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and test out the scratch resistance. Here I have one of the screen protectors that I have not taken out with. Again, it comes in a 2-pack. So I'll go ahead and take off this sticker here. And the screen protector simply just comes right out. Go ahead and peel off the back here. Go ahead and put it over our little cross. So there is the screen protector. We'll go ahead and test out the scratch resistance. So we're going to start off with a level 5 here, and that's typically where no scratches will be seen on tempered glass. So we'll go ahead and see if this holds up. Yeah, and I don't see any scratches whatsoever for the level 5, so that's a plus. We'll go ahead and move on to our level 6. This is typically where we start to see scratches. Yeah, I kind of feel that it's scratching, and then we'll go ahead and move on to a level 7. So if you take a look, you can definitely see scratches at a level 6 and deeper at a level 7. So scratch protection is on par with all the other tempered glass screen protectors, which I figured that it would be. And just because, let's go ahead and do the drop test. All right, so we're going to take this 2.4 ounce steel metal ball, which is almost the size as the screen protector, and it's pretty heavy. We're going to drop it from a starting point at 2 feet. If the screen protector survives, we'll then raise it up a foot until it cracks. So let's go and get started. Dropping it from 2 feet. So it did crack the screen protector on the second bounce in the corner there, which is going to be weaker, but it didn't crack in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep going. We got 3 feet. So technically the first time it hit, it was a second bounce, but it did crack in the corner here. And then at 3 feet, it did crack in the middle. It's not the best drop protection that I've seen on a screen protector before, but I also did weaken the integrity of the screen protector by doing the scratches as well. So I kind of have to give the benefit of the doubt to the screen protector itself. It will definitely protect your screen, and you get 2 of them in the pack. So if this does happen to crack the first time, you can always put on the second one. So that's pretty much it for the Spigen tempered glass screen protector. I do like the way that it looks on the watch, and it was super easy to install. So if you're worried about scratches on your screen, you can definitely protect it with the Spigen Glass TR-EZ. And if you guys want to pick this up yourself, again, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.